mother-daughter Grounded Goodwife duo.
I'm Velya. I'm an author, teacher, public speaker, and expert on Herstory Unsanitized.
I'm Ehris. I'm an herbalist, author, holistic nutritionist, and flower essence practitioner. And we're both green witches. We're the authors of Dare to be a Green Witch and How to Survive a Brazilian Betrayal. Our home base is our 1770 farmhouse in Woodbury, Connecticut.
2 years ago, we joined forces and became Grounded Goodwife.
We teach virtual and live, hands-on holistic workshops, as well as taboo women's history presentations.
We also offer online classes and courses through our Grounded Goodwife School of Herbalism and Wellness.
We'd love to welcome you into our coven.
Stay grounded!